Hey, what's up everybody? Jay coming at you, and today we have a special product that I got from Souk.com. Now this product is why it's special. It actually has only one output and one input. So the reason I'm buying this thing, so let's just unbox it first. Let me just see. It's from Ugreen. So it's a company that actually makes cables and stuff like that. I'll try to open it. I should be open it before, but I'll try to open right now. You know what? Let me use the emergency thing. This is a yeah, but there you go. I have the secret thing over here. The secret knife. So let's see. Oh, can you open right now? Yeah, there you go. All right, so there you go. Let's open it. So it comes with no, this is in the back, so you cannot even see it, so be careful. Let's take a quick look. Thank you for choosing Ugreen. And it says here, if you have any questions, you can ask at this email, write review, tell review. All right, so whatever. Now, check out this cable. All right, so what we have here is a USB-C, guys. So USB-C, and we have micro SD card and a large SD card. So this is very, very important because if you want to record videos on my camera, instead of just putting it on a laptop and edit things up and then post it in the YouTube or put it back in my phone, I can just put the card from the phone from the camera straight from here, and from the USB-C I can just transfer it to my phone directly. I don't need any PC, anything to be connected there. So this is very good on the go if you are recording or posting videos through your phone, and your phone is capable. If you have a Note 9 or a P20 Pro, very capable processor. So this is very good for you to do on the go. This is the reason why I bought this cable. To be honest with you, this is very good. You have a micro SD and you have an SD card, a large SD card. So also laptops nowadays have a USB Type-C in their computers, so in the laptop. So usually it's very useful than like a USB, a normal USB. It's very useful than USB. So I see that's why I'm thinking in the future that you could have this cable. Is very, very important for editing videos, transferring videos from your video camera to your phone. That's it guys. That's the product from Ugreen. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later.